Hey, what's up, Bob here? And Hey, what's up, Bob here? So, the Heritage, she's been out here setting for a week because of the cold weather, and I forgot to put it on the battery tender. Now, the battery is the original in the bike, 2018, so we're at 3 years going on 4 years. And I'm a little bit concerned about the condition of the bike, or the battery. A little bit concerned about the condition of the battery. I'm going to be doing some longer rides this year, and I don't want that thing to fail. So I'm going to show you just how I'm going to do a quick check to see the potency of the battery, and then put in the comments down below what you think, if you agree, and if you think it's a good idea or not. Here's what I'm going to do. So if you take a look, I've went ahead and hooked up just a pigtail off my battery tender up to my voltmeter, and right now at no load we're at 12.63. So you might say, well, at 12.63 that sounds really great, Bob. So what we're going to do is turn the bike on, let it set for 2 minutes under full load with the lamps. So there we go. Let me set my watch for 2 minutes. All right, so the old watch is running. And now if you look, though, you can see I've already dropped down to 11.92. So, sorry about all this. So in actuality, you know, that battery should be around a 12.2 to 12.5 range, from what I've been reading, from what I've always understood. So we're putting a bit of a load on the bike right now, and after the 2 minutes are up, we're going to go ahead and make sure she's in neutral, and we're going to go ahead and start it up. Now the voltage, again, from everything that I've kind of researched, under load, since we're not doing an amp test, we're just looking at the voltage, but under load, when that engine first kicks over, we really don't want the voltage to drop down below 10. 9.6 would be a super low battery. And so when we get ready to do this, we'll kick it over, take a look at the meter, see what it did, and then we can make a determination whether I'm going to need to replace the battery or not, in my opinion. So let's see how much time is left on the watch. 41 seconds. All right, we're getting close. So I'm going to go ahead and get the camera down here. Get down to your level. Hope you can see the meter. Meter reader right there. And I'll be talking to you as what's going on. So we're at 11.91 right now. We got 15 seconds left on my 2 minutes. And we're going to see what that voltage drops down to. Hopefully it's above 10. All right, there's my alarm on my watch. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Well, folks, that looked like crap. I just took a quick glance. I'll go back into the film and review afterwards, but it looked like it dropped down to a 9.36. So at 9.36, that's pretty dang low. The battery, for my peace of mind anyway, she's going to get replaced in the Harley today. So I hope that was a bit of value to you guys. Again, if you think this is a good way to check just the overall condition of your battery without hooking up an amp meter, which you have to hook in line with the positive, we didn't want to go through all that. We just thought this was a good test to see if your battery has enough load, enough amperage left to not leave you stranded somewhere. So let me know what you think down below. In the meantime, it's been What's Up Bob saying, see ya.